Hi, this is Rob Menghini. Welcome back to my channel, Lowborn Classic Vehicles. This is my stunning Benelli 500 Quattro 1977. Quattro for 4, 500cc, 4-pot. This bike has undergone an absolute total restoration, full nut and bolt, and it is a dream to look at and a joy to ride. We're very fortunate to own this motorcycle. The restoration was carried out by very well known specialists, Selwyn Motorcycles, who specialise in Italian bikes, especially Benelli, 750Cs, Quattros, 900Cs, etc. You cannot fault this bike in any way. It's just awesome. Everything's been chromed, new exhausts, polished alloys, polished headstock, everything's been polished. Uprated electrical switchgear, brand new fresh paintwork. I keep saying it, but it's stunning. I've had a couple of these before, but this one is the real deal. It's lovely in every way. I'll fire it up in a second. I'll show you underneath the seat. I can get to it. There we go. There we go. Oh, lovely chrome under there. Brand new seat. Very clean under there too. Compartment for the battery, which is there. So there we go. It's just lovely. Right, I'll put it on reserve because there's not much fuel in there. Ignition key, should have that on there. I've just been out for a 5-mile ride and did not miss a beat. Sounded awesome and it's full of full. Quite impressed with it. Enjoyed the ride. I've got 750Cs as well. This is a little bit more lighter and nimbler. And it gave me the same satisfaction, to be honest. 750C. As you can see, it's just